This 2015 Newmar Ventana 3433 is a Class A RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Chateaux, Bordeaux, Phantom interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2015 Newmar Ventana 3433 is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.